Hello, good morning. So today I am doing this very subtle office look. I posted some videos 3 4 days back of my office look, and you people really liked it. So I thought give it a try with the combinations and the other things which I wanted to do. And now I want to get ready for office more because I wanted to show you people. So today I am wearing this military green color, very subtle kurti, and I wanted to show this simple makeup look. So let's get started. So I started my day with tea, and it was a nice weather from inside, but I don't know how it is outside. I'm expecting, and I think it is quite humid and little hot combination. So first I'm using MAC concealer. My shade is NC30, just a very little amount because I don't want to show my under eye bags. Just a bit. Work it through your hand, make it warm, and then blend it. Just a very thin liner near to my upper lash line, just to define the eye. See, I'm using Tarte Light Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I just love this wand and the bristles because it does not make your lashes that very clumpy. It just separate out all the lashes and makes it look big. So wiggle it up while you're taking it up, and you can see all the lashes are separated. I'll just take my loose powder, Fit Me loose powder in the shade 20 light medium from Maybelline. I just love this one, and putting on the brush, or any compact powder you have, you can put it with that sponge. Don't press too hard on your skin. Putting a little bit more, and I am a bit of used to a bit of nude pinks, which I usually take with me, and but today the outfit is actually this military color, and if I'll put that, it won't look good. So I'm using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I'm not a very big fan of this, but I think for normal people, till the time the lipstick stays for 15 to 16 hours, it is not good enough for me. But then I like to use it. So what I will do, I will not take it too much because I just wanted to give some color. So I'm taking in the hand. So hence I am ready. I'll put this Fix Plus because only on the sides. And that's it. Bye. See you. Stay fresh, stay hydrated. Bye.